whatever you want to rank for. If you wanted to rank for, like, you know, for instance, for me, like how to make money on YouTube. So how to make money on So when you type this stuff in, see, these are like hot topics, right? I always talk about this, but it's really, really important because these are the things that people are typing into YouTube the most, okay? So these are the type of things that you want to be ranking for. As you can see, it updates too, because now one of the hottest topics is how to make money in Red Dead Redemption 2, and that definitely was not there before. So you can see this stuff updates on its own. So whatever is being typed into the search bar often is what people are, you know, that's what's going to show up here. So if you're trying to do how to make money on YouTube, your tags need to be these, okay? The ones that actually go with your video. You don't want tags that don't go with your video because then it kind of confuses the algorithm and it doesn't really know what your video is about. But as long as you're sticking with ones that, you know, how to make money with a small YouTube channel without AdSense, for beginners, without subscribers, as a kid, 2018. As you guys noticed, I've been doing 2019 lately, and there's a reason for that. Someone was like, hey, it's 2018, not 2019. I'm trying to rank on the front page for 2019 before everyone else so that when it does hit 2019, I'm already going to be ahead of those people because I started ranking for 2019 in 2018. So that is a tactic that I'm using right now to continue to grow the channel. You always need to be thinking about those sort of things. So I'm trying to get ahead of the 8 ball there with that 2019 ranking. And then beyond that, so these are the tags that you want to use. So you want to pick one of these and try to rank for it. And so the best way to try to rank for a video, if you wanted to rank for the tag how to make money on YouTube as a kid, the first thing you want to do is title the beginning of your video how to make money on YouTube as a kid, right? And then the second thing you want to do is copy the title and paste it at the beginning of your description. That's just an SEO tactic that I've learned that works really, really well. So if you do that, then you have that keyword that you're trying to rank for first on your title, first on your description. Then your first tag needs to be the same thing, how to make money online. So I was trying to rank for how to make money online, so I have it there, and then my first tag. Because the order does matter with YouTube, so it will give more precedence to your first tag than it will your last tag. So you need to keep that in mind. And then beyond that, once you do all that, you have your SEO set up, right? And then what I like to do is when I'm doing a thumbnail, I don't type the same thing that's on the title, right? Because whatever you put on your thumbnail is not going to help people search for it. But you want that thumbnail to be something they want to click. So I do something different. So I type something on there that, you know, so the title is what gets them to see that, right? And then the thumbnail is what kind of captures their attention. So you want to type something like, you know, a big amount of money for, in this instance, 500,000 online easy, and you want it to really pop out with colors that pop, right? And so that's why I kind of have that different shape on my thumbnails. I learned that from somebody else that I like to watch on YouTube, and you know, that pops out because everyone else just has the rectangle, and then I have that. So when you're kind of scrolling through, it just pops out because it's a color and it's a different shape, and it just pops out. And then I type something on there that really makes people want to click on it, like 500,000 or whatever. Of course, these don't have millions of views, but that's because, once again, there isn't, you know, you can't get 25 million views on how to make money on YouTube because there isn't 25 million people searching how to make money on YouTube. So when it comes to what I teach, it's just about finding viral topics and viral videos, and you're posting 8 to 10 a day as opposed to posting, you know, 1 or 2 a week. So that is how I go viral on my other 3 channels that I actually use to make money, is because it's a completely different tactic. It's viral videos, it's viral niches, viral topics, 8 to 10 of them a day rather than, you know, 1 a week or whatever. You know, there's so many more people searching those specific niches than there are searching how to make money on YouTube. And then the most important thing, so after you have all that set up, you have a good title, you have good tags, you have a good thumbnail, and if you need help with tags, YouTube Buddy, you should look that up. It's a Google Chrome extension, and that will show you which keywords have like little competition but a lot of search results, because you obviously want to have keywords that people are actually typing in and searching for, so that, you know, it has a better chance of going viral. But at the same time, you don't want tons of competition, or else you might not be able to, you know, get anybody to watch your video. So it needs to have that nice balance between competition and people searching for it. So like for mine, you know, how to make money on YouTube and online and stuff like that is pretty good, because there is some competition, but it's not ridiculous like Fortnite or something, and it's, you know, but there's still a decent amount of people searching for it. So it's kind of a good place to be. Not for going viral, of course, but just for, you know, getting some consistent views. So then once you have all those SEO tactics set up with the title, tags, descriptions, all of those things, and your good thumbnail, right? High quality, you know, pops, all that kind of stuff. Not with tiny words, you know, you want them to be big so you can actually read them, you know. And then beyond that, once you do that, my favorite thing to do is to open, so I have 3 browsers. I have Google, Internet Explorer, and Firefox. So I have a quick computer, so my computer is able to handle this, but what I do is I open 6 tabs for each browser, so that's 18, right? So that is 18 times, and what I do is I go to like how to make money online. So after I upload a video, I go and I type it in, and then whatever that new video is I just made, I'll usually, right now, usually when I do the SEO that I was talking about, it will show up. But what I'll do is I'll copy and paste here. So I'll do like filters, upload date, and then whatever I just uploaded will pop up, you know, because you have just uploaded it. And then you right click and push open new tab, and I do that 6 times. And the reason I do it on the actual search results is because then it tells YouTube that people are doing click-through. Because one of the things that algorithm looks for is click-through. So how many times, it knows exactly how many times your video has been scrolled over. Okay, so you want YouTube to think that your video is getting clicks in the search results. So that's why I type it in the search results, whatever keyword I'm trying to rank for. I type that in the search results, find my video, right click that 6 times, and open 6 different tabs in each browser. So I do that for all 3 browsers, so that's 6 times 3, which is 18. So then you have 18 click-throughs on 18 times it's been shown. And I do that at the very beginning, and then I let all 18 of those play through at the same time. So it only takes me, you know, so if my video is 10 minutes long, it takes me 10 minutes to do this, because obviously, you know, it's just 18 times, but it's one time, right? And then, so then by the time you're done, you have 10 minutes times 18 views of watch time, and watch time is one of the most important things to rank in the algorithm. So if you do what I just said, if you find a good tag and then you put that first in the title, first in the description, first in the thumbnail, and then you play through your video about 18 times, if you do more than that, it will start freezing the views and watch time, which you definitely don't want. So just stick to 18. I've always found that to work perfectly. And it might take a couple seconds for the views to update. The views might not update instantly, but, you know, give it 5 minutes or so and it will. And so if you do those things, so you got 18 click-throughs in the first like minute, right? You have 18, you know, times whatever length your video is of watch time. So now you got a lot of click-throughs, you got a lot of views, a lot of watch time in just a couple minutes. And you've done all the SEO tactics that I told you to do. I guarantee you're going to be on the front page, okay? And then from there, if you have a good thumbnail, once you get to the front page, as long as your thumbnail is solid, you're going to start getting a lot of new people to see what you're doing. And that's what I have been doing for a lot of success. And, you know, that's how I've been on the front page for how to make money on YouTube, how to make money online, all of those things. And that's what I do. And then you can take this into, you know, download and repost in videos. What I teach in the course, it's the same thing. You can take this same tactic and rank for things that are even viral, even things that are like when Alex Jones got deleted, I got ranked on the top. I was above CNN for Alex Jones' video, and I had like no subscribers before that. just because I know how to do that tactic. And so that's what I'm trying to teach you guys. It's really, really important that you can rank your videos and get a lot of new viewers and things like that. So hopefully this helps you guys out. This is just a little bit of what I teach in the course, which right now $85 and $95 on those two courses. But you know,